Exhibit A.
Oh, it's growing. Merry Christmas! Today we're going to be making some ornaments out of onion and resin, but the craft isn't important. The story behind it is.
This project is about revenge. For the last 292 days, I've been biding my time, all because of an onion. So what happened is, earlier in the year, my grandmother was in town, my dear sweet Mimi. We thought it'd be a great idea to invite Mimi and my parents and my brother over for a nice dinner at our house.
Yeah.
After that dinner, you know, we cooked a bunch of food. Sometimes smells kind of like waft through the house.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, man, our bedroom really smells like cooked onions. That's so strange.
And specifically, Katelyn smelled like onions. And I just thought, you know.
I thought it was just in the house, but it apparently it was around me. And the first night, we kind of wrote it off.
Yeah, the whole house smells like onions, that's fine.
But then night after night, again and again, for an entire week, we kept smelling the onions.
Katelyn smelled like onions, especially like when we were like falling asleep. I was like, Katelyn's a little bit stinky.
I don't know if I was trying to like take off the pillowcase because I was gonna wash the sheets, but something drove me to remove my pillowcase. And I found a shriveled up onion slice in my pillowcase.
Now, Katelyn's family has a history of pranking each other.
We do. I called my dad, and he did confirm that he and my brother were the culprits. Oh, was it you or Mimi?
It was your brother who handed me the onion and said, "You want to have some fun? Go stick this under Katelyn's pillowcase."
Oh!
He called me the other day and he said, "I can't believe she hadn't found it." And I said, "Yeah," I said, "You're going to get in trouble when she does." And he goes, "Me? That was just a suggestion, Father."
Oh, he's so you.
I thought Katelyn was having onion sweats.
And the thing is, it had been in there so long, not only did I have to wash the pillowcase and the pillow itself and the sheets and the mattress cover, I also had to like look up how to deodorize the mattress itself. It soaked all the way into the mattress.
Our new mattress.
We just bought that mattress and I was fuming.
So Katelyn immediately saved the incriminating evidence.
Let's go get it. Exhibit A, the onion. Prank onion, discovered March 4th, 2022. Planted, as in planted in my pillow, February 27th, 2022. And there she is. That's the onion slice. And since I've kept it all these months, we're now gonna embed it in resin and make ornaments and give them to my dad and brother for Christmas.
It's so gross looking. Perfect. And yes, while this is a silly project, we are taking it very seriously because this is also a gift.
So, no bubbles.
Vacuum chamber, we have the pressure chamber, mold release.
Yeah, and we're gonna do this in 2 layers because we worry if we do it all in one, then the onion might just like float up.
Oh, it looks so gooey and fun. All right, while that spreads, do you want to prepare the onion?
I would love to.
It's so gross looking. Are we gonna cut it in 2?
Yes, look at that.
Oh, what is that lump?
That, I think, is mold.
Oh, it's growing.
So we cut it in half to make 2 separate ornaments.
It's very tough. Do you see the dust?
No, but
There's like a cloud of dust as soon as I cut it.
Is there a reason why you're doing that instead of picking it up with your fingers?
I didn't want to get my fingers resiny.
What's the orientation?
I think like a diagonal
Yeah.
seems nice. Or I could do it like stem up, no, diagonal.
Beautiful. All right, is there resin all the way around? I think so.
I think so. That was a little nerve-wracking. There we go. Slide you on there like a little delicacy.
Alrighty. Whoa!
Oh my gosh.
Sorry, I was trying to film and operate at the same time.
You can always hand me the camera. That's always an option.
You're too short.
I have filmed in here many a time. I just go like this. Into the pot they go to cook. It's an onion stew, you could say. Just the ingredients, onion and resin. There we go.
Alrighty.
We'll let that cure and then we'll top it off. This is one of the strangest projects we've done.
This is the strangest project
I
we've
said
done?
one of.
This is one of the strangest projects we've done?
This is one of the craziest things we've ever done.
Oh my God.
This is glorious.
Juby likes it. One of.
I don't know if there's anything crazy to expect here, right? We're just hoping for clarity and
Like clarity of resin,
and
onion intact.
there's the one of them's poking up too high.
Well, we knew there was a chance of that.
This one looks good. This one's poking up a little bit.
Well, we might have to mound the resin up.
We might have to mount the resin up. We'll see what we can do in the second layer. They really look like specimens, which they are.
Yeah, it does look like a little slide you'd put under a microscope.
Yep,
Wonder what
100%.
you'd see in there.
We have a microscope.
We got the microscope camera.
Does that not look like a dead cockroach?
It looks like a creature.
We can do a full HD analysis of that mold right there.
Oh God, that's been in our pantry since March.
Yum.
Is it hairy?
There's like webs.
That's disgusting.
Will be preserved forever.
Yes. Little ecosystem.
Oh!
Oh, the face.
What's his name?
Durgus.
Durgus. Durgus! You're looking fine today, Durgus. Welcome to the 12th annual fashion show where we highlight the latest fashion and wait, is that a big bulky wallet in that model's pants?
Doesn't he know all of our models are supposed to be using fashionable, slim wallets from today's sponsor, Ridge? It's time to upgrade one of the most overlooked parts of your style.
Ridge wallets look and function great. They're way slimmer than traditional bulky wallets.
We especially love their new Hyperline collection. Isn't this color fun?
But they also come in so many colors and materials.
They can even be customized by adding a money clip or cash strap or by engraving cats on it. Look at this design, oh my God.
And you can pair them with a key case.
With so many options, they make awesome gifts for your family and friends.
They're so sturdy and well made that Ridge offers lifetime warranties for their wallets and other products.
Right now, it's their holiday sale, so go to ridge.com/Evan and Katelyn for up to 30% off through December 20th.
Plus, if you use our link, you can enter to win a Ridge bundle worth $4,000 with no purchase necessary.
So go to ridge.com/Evan and Katelyn and find out why they have 80,000 5-star reviews.
Even disgusting resin projects are still satisfying to watch.
Oh, heck yeah.
Now moving these might be a little bit of a challenge because they're quite full. Transfer the pizza. This works pretty good, honestly. Whew, okay, into the oven.
Now I'm going to carefully put this in, and I have full faith that my wife will capture it correctly on camera.
Yeah, I don't need to see to do this.
Heck yeah, baby!
Yeah, baby.
I know it's a pretty simple project we're doing, but we're doing it well.
Exactly, we're doing it the right way.
Yeah, we're doing it the right way.
And it's still art.
It's still art.
We're making art.
Art is something that makes you feel something.
Time to check out our creations.
Oh, sorry.
How do they look?
Beautiful.
Oh, wow. Oh, What a fine specimen. The resin is so clear.
Oh,
Look at the clarity.
Whoa.
It looks great. It's so crisp, but it looks great. How is that one? Is it poked up or is it okay?
I think it's totally fine.
Beautiful. Now, in terms of giving them this gift, we're not just gonna like hand it to them in a nice little package.
That doesn't put them through any pain.
I think we need to make them work for it.
So we set up a scavenger hunt designed to take them all over the house, and we hid the first clue in an onion, which we wrapped and put under the tree.
Merry Christmas!
Oh, I love this.
So,
Now we gotta dig inside this raw onion, huh?
One part.
clue 1, part 2, and clue 1, part 1.
Clue part 1, you both deserve this. You should have been nicer.
Clue 1. Part 2. You'll find the next clue with the meat.
With the meat
Blank.
blank. So you gotta put it together. You'll find the next
Meat
clue
slicer.
with the meat.
Slicer.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I see.
Ah.
We were just talking about this.
Clue 2, as much as you'd like it, this gift is not cash. Next clue is stinky under
The
trash.
Where's trash?
That's evil.
Was fresh or used?
Give it a smell.
I bet you're glad there's no cat poop in there. But next I'm thirsty. Can you grab me a beer?
There we go.
There it is.
Go forward, come full circle. It's been a fun one. Check. Now the spot where you once had an onion. Well,
Where you once hid an onion.
hid an onion. I mean,
Oh, under our
the
pillow? This is great. Did you put it on my side or mom's side?
Who do you think?
Okay.
Read the note.
I thought under this onion 298 days. It taunted me in so many ways. We put it in resin for all to see. You better hang this on the tree.
This is great.
Whoa!
And the resin onion.
Well done, well done.
That is so well done. Oh, I
Nice.
love this.
These make for the best ornaments, for sure.
Is it beautiful, Granny?
We hid it. They hid this under my pillow. I didn't find it for a week. It stunk everything up. So I've held on to it since March, waiting for the time. Just waiting until I could get my revenge. And finally,
I got it right
that
by
time
the
has
Grinch
come.
over here.
That's wonderful.